When I launched a new analyst service in 1995, I wanted to deliver all of our research instantly and electronically, no paper. I wanted to collaborate with our clients on projects, and I needed a secure platform that even my Wall Street customers would feel safe using for communications. My choice was simple: Lotus Notes. Lotus had recently been acquired by IBM, and the value proposition for secure and reliable communication and collaboration was compelling. IBM later separated the platform into Notes for the client side and Domino as the server-side platform, and has continued to evolve Domino as the foundation for their collaboration portfolio. But a lot has changed since 1995, when cell phones were still analog and my customers had to dial in by modem to replicate with my OS/2 server to get our latest research and share messages with their peers. We work and collaborate very differently today. That's why last month, when IBM had a worldwide rollout of Domino version 10, with hashtags ranging from Domino 10 to Domino 25 to Domino Forever, I attended their New York event to get an update. I spoke with customers and business partners, and I had the opportunity to meet with Dawn Herndon, Director of Worldwide Collaboration Solutions, and Drew Birnbaum, the Offering Manager for Domino. Here are some of my observations and highlights from the conversations with Dawn and Drew. Drew's been working with Domino for over 25 years, so I asked him for his perspective on why it was so revolutionary in the beginning.
What really made Domino revolutionary as an application platform is that it took care of so many things. It took care of authentication, it took care of the authorization, what people can do, it took care of encryption, all of the security, it took care of clustering and high availability. There's just a whole set of things, and really that value is still very much there. So I like to think that sort of kind of the core piece of it has never lost its value, because those things are still issues today. They're nothing, even after 30 years, really can provide that entire ecosystem of platform support.
I asked Dawn about IBM's commitment to the future of the Domino platform in light of the Domino Forever hashtags.
Yeah, we certainly are in it for the long term. I like that terminology. Domino 2025 may be another hashtag that you've seen recently. When we first announced our partnership with HCL as our development partner, we decided to invest more heavily in the Domino platform for a couple of reasons. We, through many conversations with clients, became quickly to understand that Domino applications were still very sticky inside of organizations. A long time that customers had been developing on the Domino platform, the applications stayed, and customers continue to invest in those applications. They continue to run and maintain those applications. But one thing that was missing was a number of features that they felt that they needed in order to make Domino ready for the future, if you will, or modernized in a lot of ways. So Domino 2025 was the initial hashtag that we released in conjunction with us also announcing that we were going to release version 10. And we started to collect all of the feature enhancement requests from our clients through a number of jams and webinars that we held worldwide to get feedback from the client base of those companies that were still using Domino quite heavily from an application perspective. Domino Forever is because as we started to really see the power that the Domino application platform provides to these organizations, and the ease of use and the ease of administration and the low total cost of ownership for those platforms and applications, we realized that we needed to invest beyond version 10. So Domino Forever is version 10 is the start of a long journey ahead to continue to enhance the Domino application platform for future needs as well.
I asked Dawn and Drew about the specifics of the new release. What features were most important?
For introducing JavaScript capabilities and Node.js capabilities so that developers of all skill sets can actually develop applications and run them in Domino. Another big key tenet, I would say, is the mobility aspects of the Domino environment. So Domino mobile applications is an announcement we're making in conjunction with version 10 being available that will allow you to take any Domino application that you have that's running and easily and quickly port it to an iPad or a mobile device so that you can take all of your applications with you and they can be where you work instead of requiring you to be in a Domino, a historical or traditional client type environment. I would also say that one of the most exciting pieces of the Domino 10 journey has been really allowing clients to get access to Docker and CentOS and some of the other enhancements we're making from an administration perspective as well. So lowering the total cost of the administration, making it easier to administer Domino applications and keep them running inside of the environment.
There is a feature called New Relic that's coming with Domino 10, and that's a way of seeing everything that's going on in your clusters, the health of them, what's being accessed. It's just an overall kind of health view of what's happening in your environment.
The focus on supporting all skill sets certainly fits with the trend towards democratizing development with low-code and no-code options. Making it easy to port legacy apps to mobile platforms and to develop new mobile-first apps is a smart move. It preserves enterprise app investments, and it makes version 10 a good alternative to some of the newer collaboration platforms. Given my own interest in AI and my experience with Watson, I was surprised that I didn't see any Watson signage at the event. I asked Dawn, and she explained.
Inherently, with Domino, and especially with version 10, you can make calls to Watson APIs, just like you would be able to from any other application. So taking that entire cognitive family and making it available inside of a Domino application is available to everybody who develops in Domino.
It's been 29 years since the release of Lotus Notes version 1. Technology has advanced, and with those advances, our requirements and expectations have changed dramatically. Security and reliability are still critical requirements for enterprise applications. But my iPhone has the computational power of the fastest supercomputers of the 1980s, and I expect constant and ubiquitous mobile access to my applications, data, and my colleagues. I don't have a landline, so nobody will be dialing in to replicate with my server tonight. And frankly, I need to push messages and mail as much as I used to need to post them and wait for clients to pull the content. Version 10 of Domino is a modern collaboration platform that remembers its enterprise-grade roots. For customers who are already using Domino, version 10 offers some nice upgrades and demonstrates that IBM has been listening and responding to customer wants and needs. Version 10 lets customers preserve their investments in applications and skills while supporting new approaches to development and integration with cognitive services. For enterprises that are in the market for a modern collaboration platform, Domino version 10 is worth evaluating. It checks all the boxes for a secure, modern, low-code, no-code development platform that also supports professional developers using modern languages and techniques and offers straightforward integration with IBM's Watson Cognitive Services. Domino Forever still sounds pretty ambitious, but Domino 2025 seems like a safe bet to me.